Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Alif Bismo. I am from the TKR 1. I am here to fix motorbike flat tire, and I use a manual pump. First, insert the pump head into the valve, tire's valve. Second, the pump. Neither more nor less. Okay, and finish. Okay, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.